Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome to the wonderful world of gardening, where you can grow your food, connect with nature, and have fun. Gardening is a rewarding hobby that brings joy and fresh air into your life. It's easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Imagine stepping into your backyard and picking fresh, juicy tomatoes for your salad, or the sweet smell of herbs like basil and mint filling your kitchen as you cook a delicious meal. With a little effort, you can experience the magic of growing your food. Gardening is not just about the end product, it's about the journey. It's about getting your hands dirty, nurturing life, and witnessing the miracle of nature unfold. It's a great way to relieve stress, get some exercise, and connect with the earth. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? Let's get started and turn that empty patch in your yard into a thriving garden. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a successful garden, especially for beginners. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Start with easy-to-grow varieties that are perfect for novices. Think about your climate and the amount of sunlight your garden receives. Some plants love basking in the sun, while others prefer a bit of shade. Tomatoes, peppers, and zucchini are great sun-loving options. Lettuce, spinach, and kale are your go-to choices for shadier spots. Herbs are also fantastic for beginners. They're relatively low maintenance and add a burst of flavor to your dishes. Basil, mint, parsley, and chives are excellent choices for a beginner's herb garden. Remember to choose plants that you and your family enjoy eating. It's always more rewarding to grow something you're excited to harvest and savor. Location, location, location. Just like when buying a house, choosing the right spot for your garden is crucial. Most vegetables and herbs thrive in sunny locations, so find an area in your yard that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Consider the space you have available. You don't need a massive backyard to start a garden. A small patch of land, a balcony, or even a sunny windowsill can be transformed into a productive garden. Think about accessibility. Choose a spot that's easy to reach with a hose or watering can. You'll be watering your plants regularly, so make sure it's convenient. Now it's time to get our hands dirty, literally. Preparing the soil is essential for providing a nurturing environment for your plants to thrive. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Start by removing any weeds or grass from your chosen area. Then loosen the soil using a garden fork or shovel. This aeration allows roots to grow freely and access nutrients more easily. Next, mix in some compost. Compost is like magic fertilizer for your garden. It's made from decomposed organic matter like leaves, grass clippings, and vegetable scraps. Compost enriches the soil with nutrients, improves drainage, and promotes healthy plant growth. Once you've added compost, rake the soil smooth and level the surface. Your garden bed is now ready for planting. Section 5. Planting time, seed by seed, dream by dream. Planting time is always an exciting moment for any gardener. It's where we sow the seeds of our dreams and watch them grow into something beautiful. You can start your plants from seeds or seedlings. Seeds are a more economical option, but seedlings give you a head start. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with seedlings, as they're a bit easier to manage. Dig a small hole in the soil, slightly larger than the root ball of your seedling or the recommended depth for your seed. Gently place the seedling or seed in the hole and cover it with soil. Water the newly planted seedlings or seeds gently but thoroughly. Be careful not to overwater, as this can suffocate the roots and prevent them from growing. Section 6. Keeping your plants happy. The basics of garden care. Congratulations, you've planted your garden. Now comes the fun part, taking care of your plants and watching them flourish. Regular watering is crucial for plant growth. Water your garden deeply but infrequently. Stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. Weeding is another essential task. Weeds compete with your plants for water, nutrients, and sunlight. Remove any weeds you see in your garden regularly to ensure your plants thrive. Mulching around your plants helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. You can use organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or shredded bark. Section 7. Enjoy the fruits and veggies of your labor. As your plants grow and mature, you'll experience the joy of harvesting your fresh produce. There's nothing quite like the taste of a sun-ripened tomato picked straight from your garden. Harvesting at the right time is crucial for optimal flavor and texture. Check your seed packets or plant tags for specific harvesting guidelines for each vegetable or herb. Once you've harvested your bounty, get creative in the kitchen. Use your fresh herbs to elevate your favorite dishes. Create colorful salads with your homegrown lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Sharing your harvest with friends, family, and neighbors is another rewarding aspect of gardening. It's a beautiful way to spread the joy of homegrown food and connect with your community. Section 8. Time to get growing. Your garden awaits. Starting a home garden is a rewarding and enjoyable experience. It's a chance to connect with nature, grow your food, and create a beautiful space in your backyard. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. There will be successes and failures, but that's all part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn as you go. So what are you waiting for? Grab your gardening gloves, find a sunny spot in your yard, and start planting. Your dream garden awaits, and I'll be right here cheering you on every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and updates. Happy gardening!